Hey everyone! If your YouTube isn't showing comments, here's how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. A weak signal can stop comments from loading. Next, close and reopen your YouTube app because sometimes a quick refresh helps. And also, if comments still don't appear, tap your profile icon and select Settings. Then here go to the General, then toggle Restricted Mode off because it can hide comments under certain videos. Still not working, you can go to the Play Store, then search for YouTube and update the app. Then, if you're watching in browser, you can clear the cache and cookies, then reload the page. And after doing that, the comments section should now appear normally. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.